Good day, Chief.
What am I?
We know you're a very busy man.
Of course, I am very busy because money is calling me even right now.
Please grant us a little moment to ask you a few questions.
Go ahead.
Okay. We are from AMTV.
I know.
We'd like you to reintroduce yourself to our viewers.
My name is Mazi Wedinobi. Elias Onyemani Hege Sokuwan. Na Ali Bunile Buruburu. And by the grace of God, the next executive governor of Anambra State, because I'll be contesting for governorship in Anambra State by next year.
Oh,
yes.
Lovely.
And I need you, the media people and all the pressmen, to help me in my campaign. By the grace of God, I am the managing director, Gojak Group of Companies. We are the makers of Eternity and Gojak Door, both internal and external. If you're looking for high quality, it is from Gojak Group. Thank you very much. And go ahead with your question.
Sir, is it true that Igbos do not love themselves?
That is a fat lie. In fact, it is a lie from our enemies. It is a lie from those who are trying to discredit us. It is a lie from those who are trying to make the world believe that we are not capable of managing ourselves. It is a lie from those who are trying to tell the international community that we are not qualified to become a sovereign nation. Yes, and if you ask me what love is, I will help you, I will educate you, I will tell you what love is practically. Okay. You see, there are other tribes in Nigeria who are claiming to love themselves. They are in power, they are in position of authority, they have everything, they hijack everything. Yet their people are the most wretched. They are the people who are begging. They give back to children, they can't train them. Their children are all in the street with the pledge begging. They do different kind of odd job. Only few of them are with the money. The rest are 70% of their people are very poor. And you say that is love? That is not love. The other group of people who say they love themselves are those who are only interested in party. It is in party time they show love, and they cook rice in cooler, and they wear uniform, and come together, and they dance their Owambe. And after that, they still go back to bus stop where they are shouting Owoda, 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 because that's the only business they know how to do. And you compare these people, these tribes, with the Igbo nation. You compare this tribe with the Igbo nation, a formidable people from Israel, people that God created and gave a greater wisdom. We have a high capacity of intelligence. And if anybody tell you Igbos do not love themselves, let me prove them wrong. In all the businesses going on in Nigeria is controlled by Igbos. And if you go there and see the people they employ, if you go there and see the people who are serving them are all Igbo, they are all Igbo brothers. It is only an Igbo man that will go to Kano and establish himself in the business. And he go back to his village, carry his brothers, carry his cousins, carry his relations, and bring them to the place of his business. Teach them the business, train them, establish them with the money. And after 2 years, they become millionaire. And that is why you go to every family in Igbo land, there is a millionaire. You go to every kindred, in every community, you see billionaires everywhere. You see buildings everywhere. We don't need a government. We build the road by ourselves. We give ourselves water by ourselves. In fact, we can buy government with our money. And somebody will tell you, Igbos do not love themselves. That is a lie. Go and ask the Vicky nation in Istanbul. He will tell you how many people he took to Istanbul and established them in Turkey, and they are in business today. Go and ask Queen Singapore, and you will know how many boys he trained, sent abroad and established them. Today they are billionaires. Go and ask Force Agency, who is very good in clearing agency. All the boys around him are all Igbo boys that he trained. In case you don't know, the person who established me is Omekane. Chief Cletus Ibeto is my uncle. He established me, trained me, taught me business, and gave me money, and made me a bastard billionaire. If I am angry today, I can buy Nigeria. And so, can somebody now come and tell you that Igbos do not love themselves? How else can you define love? Everywhere you go, Igbo man is there. Go to China, you see Igbo man. You don't know that Anyego is in China doing wonderful things, taking his brothers to China. Today, they are doing well in China, and you are coming to tell me Igbos do not love themselves. That is a lie from our enemies who are trying to discredit us. What I want, your money is calling me. I'm in a haste. Until next time, I told you that I have business to do today. Thank you very much. Until next time.